Good morning, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. Today we are going to revise all the definitions in chapter 5, Geometry. Watch the video till the end without any distractions. At the end of this class, you will be able to understand lines, angles, types of angles, adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles. Let us recall the following concepts on lines and points which we learnt in class 6. Line, line segment, ray, parallel lines, intersecting lines, collinear points, non-collinear points. A line is a straight path that goes on endlessly in two directions. A line segment is a line with two endpoints. A ray is a straight path that begins at a point and goes on and extends endlessly in the other direction. The lines which intersect each other at a point are called intersecting lines. If the distances between two lines are equal at each point, then the lines are called parallel lines. If three or more points lie on the same line, then they are called collinear points. If the points are not on the same line, then the points are called non-collinear points. An angle is formed when two rays diverge from a common point, and the rays forming an angle are called the arms of the angle, and the common point is called the vertex of the angle. You have studied different types of angles such as acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle and reflex angle in class 6. Also we have studied about related angles such as complementary angles and supplementary angles in our previous classes. Let us learn them. Two angles are called complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. Two angles are called supplementary angles if their sum is 180 degree. In this class, we are going to learn some more related angles such as adjacent angles, linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angles. Two angles which have a common vertex and a common arm whose interior do not overlap are called adjacent angles. The adjacent angles that are supplementary lead us to a pair of angles that lie on the straight line. This pair of angles are called linear pair of angles. Let us learn an important result. The sum of all angles formed at a point on a straight line is 180 degree. When two lines intersect each other, two pair of non-adjacent angles formed are called vertically opposite angles. A and B are one pair of vertically opposite angles and C and D are one pair of opposite angles. Here we are going to see the types of angles in detail. An angle less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. An angle which is equal to 90 degrees is called a right angle. An angle which is equal to 180 degrees is called straight angle. An angle which is more than 180 degrees is called reflex angle. Here M and N are any two non-parallel lines and L is another line intersecting them at A and B respectively. We call such intersecting line L as transversal. Hence, a transversal is a line that intersects two lines at distinct points. If a transversal meet two lines, 8 angles are formed at the point of intersections, as you see in the diagram. We can classify these angles into different types such as corresponding angles and alternate angles. Let us learn about these angles in detail. Here in this diagram, the pair of angles which you see in the diagram as A and B are called corresponding angles. Here also you can see some of the corresponding angles. Here A and B are the corresponding angles above the lines. Here you can see the corresponding angles below the lines, which are in the left of the transversal. Here you can see the corresponding angles below the lines which are in the right of the transversal. Now let us see alternate angles. These are the alternate interior angles. These angles are also alternate interior angles. These are the alternate exterior angles. These angles are also alternate exterior angles. Here you can see all the interior and exterior alternate angles and corresponding angles together. In a specific case of a transversal, the alternate angles are equal and the corresponding angles are equal when the given lines are parallel. Here you can see that the corresponding angles are equal when the lines are parallel. Here you can find the alternate angles are equal when the lines are parallel. Students, I hope you all clear with the topic what I taught today. Watch the video carefully without any distraction till you understand. Do the assignment given and send the images in the class group without fail. With this end, we have come to conclude this session. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.